guys, we're going to talk about proper apparel for welding in the shop. Okay, so when we weld, we want to make sure we cover our body parts to protect us from burns. So, Autumn here, she has on leather welding coat, leather welding gloves. She has on her hood, her safety glasses to protect her eyes and her face. She also has on jeans that go to the floor. They're not tucked into her boots, and she has leather boots on. So Autumn is prepared to go weld. Now Julia thought that she could wear her dark safety glasses and a clear face shield. Okay, the safety glasses aren't tinted enough to protect her eyes while welding. She also has on short sleeves, no gloves, shorts, and tennis shoes that could potentially cause her to burn her legs, her arms, and her hands. So Julia is not prepared or safe to weld. Okay?